how to buy Scotcoin project token. So this token came under the symbol of Scot. Now before I start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. So before going on to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. One of these updates, as you can see, this post from the REFERRAL account, as you can see, though they said that Scotcoin is now live on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. We'll be able to find the referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with USDT to benefit from rewards. So after that, after you create an account on MEXC, what you need to do, go and open your account on MEXC like that. So go back to this page and copy, or you can click on this link here to be able to redirect to that token page. So, or you can copy this symbol of the token. So after that, go to your MEXC account and in search here you will be able to paste that token symbol. So after that, what you need to do, click on this pair here and click on it. Now after that, as you can see, select the buy option and click on the limit. Here type how much you want to buy of the token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account and click on buy Scot. So if you click on market, you can track this to see how much percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy this token and click on buy Scot. So this is how to buy Scot token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.